Alright, first up, let's talk about the Huawei Mate 70 Pro's design. Well, this could be its design. Yes guys, this is likely exactly how the upcoming Huawei Mate 70 Pro will look, and beyond that, there are tons of new, exciting features that will make the upcoming Mate 70 series a game changer. You're really going to enjoy this one, so stick around. Hey guys, so the first thing worth noting here is that Huawei might launch the upcoming Huawei Mate 70 Pro unexpectedly, just like they did with the Mate 60 Pro last year, and it could happen any day now. Further, looking at the renders, this phone looks every bit like of the Mate 70 Pro. It has a rounded design and a completely bezel-less display, giving it that premium and modern look. Moving on, according to the popular Leakster detail chat station, the Huawei Mate 70 Pro will feature a stunning 6.88-inch or possibly even larger LTPO quad-curve screen with an immersive 1.5K resolution. We are looking at a 120Hz refresh rate and advanced 3D TOF face recognition. And that's not all. This phone is set to come with a side-mounted ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, a significant upgrade from the optical sensor on the Mate 60 Pro because Huawei promises durability and faster response times in this new sensor. Moving to the back, we are expecting 4 cameras here. The exact details are still under wraps, but Huawei is rumored to be bringing some big changes to the cameras as well because they want to make them stand out even more. Under the hood, Huawei is also rumored to pack a powerful new Kirin chipset, the 6nm Kirin 9100. Yes guys, it could take performance to the whole next level compared to the Mate 60 Pro. And let's not forget, Huawei Harmony OS next, Huawei's latest operating system designed to make this phone even smoother and more powerful. Anyway, at the end, I would say being a leak, these parameters are not fully confirmed yet. So take them with a pinch of salt and wait for the official launch to confirm the Mate 70 series specifications. So what do you think? Will Huawei's Mate 70 Pro will meet customers' expectations? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more updates and leaks. Peace out.